Withdrawing money from your Outlook account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Outlook account. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Outlook website. Enter your credentials to log into your account securely. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu, where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Navigate to payment options. In account settings, look for a section labeled payment options or wallet. This is where you can view your balance and manage withdrawal methods. Step 4. Select withdrawal method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. After selecting your withdrawal method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You may need to verify your identity or provide additional information for security purposes. Once you complete these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your account for confirmation and ensure you check the estimated processing time for your chosen withdrawal method.